We are pleased to show you the 2019 RAV4 Hybrid. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid offers a spacious interior, an abundance of technology, and safety features galore. When pairing all of this with a dynamic exterior, it's not surprising that everyone is talking about this vehicle and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, heated front seats, electronic stability control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.